Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Please Reboot and restart the game ERR GFX STATE Error GTA V Enhanced. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is check if your PC meets the minimum requirements. Over here, make sure you have Windows 10 or 11, an Intel Core i7-14770 or AMD FX 19590, 8GB RAM, an SSD with 105GB available space, and a graphics card like GTX 1630 or RX 6400 with 4GB RAM. After that, open GTA 5 Enhanced and go to Settings. Then navigate to Graphics, scroll down to Ray Tracing and set it to off. Then in the same graphics settings, find reflection quality and set it to normal. After that, if your GPU is overclocked, reset it to default settings. Then press Win plus E to open File Explorer. Over here, go to Documents Rockstar Games GTA V Enhanced Settings and delete all the SGA files. After that, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. If updating doesn't work, right-click the GPU again, select Uninstall Device, reboot your PC, and reinstall the driver manually from the manufacturer's website. If none of that works, search online for your motherboard's manual and update your BIOS to the latest version. So that's basically how you can fix Please Reboot and restart the game ERR GFX STATE Error GTA V Enhanced. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.